pots, I'm gonna mix the fragrant collection ones. I think that would be really pretty. I feel like I can mix quite a bit in here though. Okay, it looks like this set only comes with 8 hyacinths. So I'm gonna mix in some of these tulips to take up more space. But let me plan them out first. If you're curious about how to plant these, you want to plant with this cut side down. When they're already blooming or sprouting, it's easier to tell, but if this was not here, you want to plant where they have cut last year's growth off down. The beauty about bulbs, and most especially tulips, if you plant them on the side, they will redirect themselves, but it's always better to just kind of plant them how they should be, so that way they are perfect in the ground. Today is a massive seed starting day and I'm so excited about it. It is pretty much like the second big flush of starting seeds. This is probably the biggest flush of starting seeds actually, because a lot of things need to be planted about 8 to 10 weeks before you put them out in the garden. Today is February 18th. So I have my little calendar and I have a full list of all of the things that I need to start this week. But here is my list of things that I need to grow. It is literally the longest list, but I'm excited about it. So seed starting inside, we are going to grow some American flag leeks, Thai peppers, Copenhagen market cabbage, grand bell pepper, jalapeno, lemon basil, peppermint, Rama tomato, sweet basil, thyme, yellow pear tomato, maybe. Those were delicious, so I think so. Greek oregano, cilantro, habanero, tomatillo, Italian basil, broccoli, okra, lacinato, kale, and parsley. And then outside, it is time to grow some baby choy, watermelon radish, and some peas, but we need to pop over to Home Depot and get some soil because all of my beds need soil and they need a lot of soil. So I'm going to try to work a couple of beds at a time and just fill them up with soil because I really only need one bed full of soil for the radish and some salad greens. But other than that, everything else can wait until March, so I'll just take my time with that. I also filmed a video saying that I did not need to pick up any more seeds, but as you guys know me, I cannot control myself when I am around seeds. So of course I picked up some seeds. I picked up this Chef's Choice blend of tomatoes. These are really cool looking, specifically like this green striped one right here. So I'm really interested to see like what is in here, because it looks like cherry tomatoes and like tomatoes of all different sizes, and it doesn't have the variety. It just says blend of orange, pink, red, black, yellow, green, purple, and bicolor tomatoes. Enjoy a fun mix. So I'm like, bro, how did I pick this up? I honestly don't know, but I just wanted the green stripe ones. Kohlrabi looks like this. I've actually never had kohlrabi before, but I was seeing a YouTuber grow this, and you just like cut it up and roast it. So I'm really interested in how this tastes. Not start from seed. I picked up some more zucchini. This one is dark green zucchini. I love zucchini, and I'm getting redemption this year from last year's horrible harvest. I think I got 2 massively large zucchinis, but these worms like decimated all of my squash. So that was fun dealing with that. So that's what I also need to do, is spray the beds with BT, so that way if there are any worms in the soil, they do not mess with me. I got more Copenhagen market cabbage, also getting redemption on that this year. I picked up these beets because I have a couple of beet seeds, but I'm actually running out, and this one was an interesting variety. This one is the Ruby Queen, and I thought this was such a beautiful color to make juice out of. And then I love radishes now. I don't know what came over me, but last year I grew radishes for the first time, and I realized they're not as disgusting as I thought they were. They are delicious in salads, and so I got this radish mix of like black Spanish round, cherry belle, China rose, early scarlet, French breakfast, long scarlet, Minowase sparkler, white hailstone, and white icicle. So it's literally a mix of like every single radish, which I thought was awesome. I have a good radish collection, but this one is a nice mix if you want to just sprinkle in the ground. So yeah, that is it, but we're going to get down to business because we have so much to plant today.